Today I'm going to show you how to create your own anime-like solo leveling in 4K. Amazing, right? It was created using my master prompts and a set of character sheets running through Seedance 2.0. This system achieves a stupidly high consistency, no CGI feel, no face that quietly drifts between shots, and a total build time of only 30 minutes, script included, all using one single tool. Now, I'm about to show you two clips. Tell me which one is AI. Ready? If you picked one, or even two, you're still wrong because both are AI. Every frame, every pan, and every character. And you're not locked into one look either. With my system, you can adapt multiple styles like a dynamic Haikyu-style sports anime later on. So head over to Domo AI, links below, and sign up to scroll through community generations. Now pay close attention because this step decides if characters in your anime remain consistent. Head into AI image, select image editing, and pick the GPT-2 model. It's excellent for anime output. The prompt driving it matters the most here. It's what builds your character sheets that drive the animated scenes. I didn't guess my way through this, running different prompts hundreds of times, so you don't have to. Simply grab workflow link below, grab it free, or throw a few dollars at it if you want to support the channel. Drop the master prompt into Claude and answer what it asks you. For mine, I went with a Sword Art Online style story, a revenge arc, an abandoned hero clawing his way back up from nothing to get back a full story broken into anime-ready prompts for every character and scene. Take that first character prompt, paste it into Domo, generate, and if you're on the Pro plan, running it in relaxed mode saves you credits. I repeat that same step for every remaining character. Want it moving faster? There's a quick load option that costs credits but speeds things up. Characters are locked in. Now we bring them to life. Pull the Scene 1 and Scene 2 prompts from your Claude output under the Image to Video section. Back in Domo, select the character sheet involved in that sequence and choose Image to Video. It takes the sheet as your reference input. You'll get a choice of video models here, but for anime, Seedance 2 isn't close. It wins outright. Paste your prompt in, attach the relevant character sheets, and make sure every character is named directly in the prompt exactly where they show up. That single detail is what actually holds consistency together. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9, pick duration and resolution based on how many shots the scene needs, and generate. We get this amazing output with perfect pans and cuts done for us. In order to continue this scene, we go to Frame Extractor to get the ending frame of this video, upload it here, scroll down and drag slider to the end to extract and get it. Copy the next two scene prompts now and simply go back to and hit Regen over the previous video to restore the reference sheets. Now add the frame we extracted in addition and paste the prompt. Make sure to add the line to start the scene from that frame, and add character references like usual. We'll set the time and generate again to get a cohesive scene with maintained consistency. Now we'll redo the same process again, extract final frame from the new scene, and again upload it here. Copy and paste the prompt for the next scene, adding character references in text and repeat. Other sheets are irrelevant in this scene since the MC is alone. Let's generate. Great! I wanted one quiet character moment in here after this scene too, so I generated Kaito, our MC, facing a fire, then switched to the talking avatar feature. It takes that still as input alongside a dialogue voiceover you upload, and syncs the two together. Add a couple of setting details and generate. For 15 credits, the gestures alone make it worth it. I wasn't happy with how the fight scene played out the first time, so here's the fix, and it's cheaper than you'd think. I pulled the start and end frames of the fight, went into frames to video, chose the Seedance 2.0 fast model specifically to keep credits low, uploaded both frames, and pasted in just the fight sequence prompt for that scene, which fills in everything happening between those two frames. Set duration, generate. Now that actually looks like a fight. We'll simply download the videos and export them to CapCut to add in chronological order the scenes onto the timeline to export the finished anime. But remember how I said 2K? It's time to upgrade it. Now, you can either go to the outputs one by one and select upscale to 2K or 4K, or select video upscale feature from up top. Like I'm uploading my whole anime to upscale it using Domo's V2 upscaler for a 2K output. The difference is day and night. Let's take a look at the finished output.
Why does the weakest rank even bother showing up?
Stay still. I've got you. He's stronger than any of you will ever be. I'll find us something to eat and drink. Rest. I'll be back soon.
There's not enough left for all of us. I'm sorry.
I went up 90 levels. I feel stronger. Even my appearance has changed.
Is that you, Kaido?
That's not possible!
Yes, it's me. And everyone except Elena is getting killed.
The master prompt I've provided is trained on a lot of anime-style presets and research, so you can even go for a dynamic sports-style anime, like this mini sequence I made here, choosing the Haikyu/sport anime style during script generation, which gave me this sort of a result.
That's match.
Are you kidding me?
Are we seriously AI? Because this feels too real. Yep, Domo AI in a few clicks. But even I feel like studio quality.
On pricing, Domo is honestly the most reasonable I've come across compared to others out there. Seedance 2.0 is included, even on the basic tier, but I'd personally go standard to get unlimited image generations in relaxed mode. Go try the whole thing yourself with my workflow link below. And if this helped, a like, a subscribe, and a comment go a long way. See you in the next one!